My dear students, I welcome you again in grade 7. Today we are going to discuss our second session of our chapter, that is using Excel as a database. Class, earlier we had discussed that what is the meaning of database, its rows, columns, what is the meaning of field, record, and how to enter a data in a database in a particular MS Excel sheet. Afterwards, we had discussed that how to add a new record in a form, searching of a new record, etc. Now, today we are going to start the remaining part of this chapter, that is sorting a data. So, class, sorting means arranging the given data to a particular field, either in the form of descending or ascending order or in the form of increasing or decreasing order. Class, it is our choice that how we can sort the data. Here, sort means arranging a data. So, once the data is organized, it becomes very easy to work with us. Why? Because sorting helps us to give a data in a particular way. So class, let's understand that how to sort a data. Here I make a new table which consists of the record of our following students like roll number, name and various marks of the various subjects. Like here I want to sort the data. Sort means arrange it in a ascending or a descending order. So now start sorting. How to sorting? Like first of all we can select the data, like I want to sort the name of the students. So firstly I can select it, then right click, here the options come, that is the sort. Here they can ask from me, you sort from A to Z or sort from Z to A. Like if I want to sort in a proper order, like it start from alphabet A to Z, then I can choose this button. So now let's click on this button. So they can ask from me whether you want to sort. Yes. So click on the sort button. So here is the result. Here there is an option of sorting of data. Now again, if I want to sort, then select it, then right click, then sort from Z to A. So here is the result, class. Then click on the sort button. So here you can easily see it sorts from Z to A, means from Z alphabets to A. So A comes in the lower, then H, then K, again K, then M. So this is the way that how you can sort the data. So you can sort the data according to your own way by clicking on sort A to Z or clicking on the part that is sort Z to A. Now class, our next one is the filter a data. How we can filter a data? So select any cell within the database range, like say here I have to choose D3, then choose option data and then filter. So this is the way we can filter the data, like small arrows will be added to each field name. The arrows are used to filter the data. Like if I want to click on the arrow D3, here Hindi field name, that is select 79 from the top down list. So the list will get filtered and display only those records that contains the number 79 in column D. So filtering of data also plays a very important role in MS Excel. So class, MS Excel plays a very important role. Why? Because with the help of MS Excel, we can easily calculate number of operators like adding, subtracting, division, sorting of data, deleting of data, filtering of data, and the main and most important thing, in the MS Excel we can make a various type of database with the help of rows and columns. So class, read this chapter carefully from the book and have a great day ahead.